Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage analytics with Kissmetrics, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Kissmetrics website and create your account. Once you have registered, log into your Kissmetrics dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout, noting the main sections such as reports, segments, and funnels. Begin by integrating Kissmetrics with your website or application through the provided tracking code. Copy the tracking script from your dashboard. Paste the script into the header of your website's HTML code. Next, navigate to the Reports section from the main menu. Choose the type of report that best suits your needs, such as conversion rates or user engagement. Explore the available filters to narrow down your data according to specific criteria. Utilize the Segments feature to create custom user groups based on behavior or demographics. To set up a funnel, go to the Funnels section in the dashboard. Define the steps of your funnel by adding the necessary events or pages. Save and name your funnel for easy reference. Monitor your funnel analytics to identify where users drop off. Use the insights gained to make informed decisions about improving user experience. Create cohorts to analyze user behavior over time. Dive into the retention reports to understand how well you retain your users. Leverage the A/B testing features to compare different versions of your content. Adjust your strategies based on the performance data gathered. Regularly revisit your analytics to keep track of changes and trends. Consider setting up automated reports for ongoing analysis. Utilize Kissmetrics customer support resources if you encounter any challenges. Stay updated with new features and best practices through the Kissmetrics blog. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.